So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will see that how to both are header tags and footer tags. So let's quickly start. So here today we will see these header tags and footer tags. So first of all I will explain you the header and then I will explain you the footer. Now first of all let's see that what are header tags and footer tags. So header tags and footer tags. First of all let's see about header tags. So header tags, uh, header, okay, I am considering H as header and F as footer. Okay, so here header tags, we use header and footer, both are like section tags only. If you don't know that what are section tags, so you can go to my channel and view that video also. So here header tags, if suppose this is a website, okay, and in this website I have a header, okay, there is a header, some buttons are there, this one is a button, this one is a button, and this one is a button, and this is my logo, and there is some content here, and there is a footer also where my name is written, okay. Uh, so so this uh, this this footer, so this is footer, right? This is footer. So now you see that we use footer tags to add a footer, and we use header tags to form a header, right? So you are correct. So let's quickly see that what are they. So here, first of all, we will add a header tag. Okay, header tag. Now we will give a enter. So inside header tag I can add anything, okay. So let's suppose I am adding a heading, sorry, h1 tag. H1 tag is a heading tag. So inside that I am writing some text, okay. So let's suppose I am writing subscribe to tag buddies, okay. You can do this thing also, you can subscribe tag buddies. So now I will save this file and go to my browser. Okay, so I haven't opened this file in my browser. So let's quickly open it. Yeah. So as you can see, I have changed the text also, and I have saved, and I have opened this file in my browser. As you can see, text is there. Subscribe to Tech Buddies if you are new on my channel. So let's so now I have put it in header tag, okay. Suppose I have put it in section tag, then it is also same. But if I add a section tag, then I need to add a class or add a ID. So for ignoring that, we use header tag in it. And if we are creating a website, uh, for heading, if you are giving a header in your website, so it is a good habit to add a header tag there instead of section tags, because if you have lots of sections inside that website, then it will might confusing. So if you add a header, and for footer you add a footer, so it will nice, okay. So here this is header, okay. This much only for header, but yeah, you can add a header tag and give a class or id to it if you want, but it is not needed. You can directly write header, and if you and generally in website there are no one more than one headers. If there is, then you can add, but there is no one more than one header, so no problem. Here let's see the footer. Now if I add a footer tag, okay, if I add a footer tag, and here, okay, so as you can see that I have written some text here inside footer tag. I have created one more h1, and I have written some text which you have to do, okay. And these steps are very important. So here, as you can see that there is written like and share this video with your friends, and also watch this video till end so you can understand it better. So here, as you can see that I have created a footer, but you are thinking that footer should be at down. Yeah, right? Footer should be at downwards. Okay, but it is not. It is just like as a section tag. Okay, if I add a section tag, right? If I add a section here, okay, and another section here, then none of the changes will be there. Okay, it will be same only. But the problem is that section tag has reduced the size. Don't know why. Let us again do this footer and here also. Okay, so yeah, so save it and now go. So as you can see, the text size is increased because uh, the footer has to be big, okay, big enough to be read. Okay, so here let's consider header as a section also. So I have written here section, okay, and made a section text. Okay, then see here. Okay, so now save here and refresh. As you can see, the text size has also decreased here. Okay, so why it is decreased? So because header is big, right? A header should be big enough to be read, right? So these are small functions of header and footer. So this much only for this video. Subscribe to Tech Buddies if you are new on my channel, and like and share this video with your friends, and also watch this video and you have watched this video till end, so not to say this line. Okay, so this much only for now. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, bye. So bye everyone. Bye bye.